Okay, we need to talk about the major changes coming soon in this channel. Till now, I was just making videos on Linux, open source, programs, technology, and so on. And I was, of course, mostly sticking into just Linux and open source. But there is a limit after which even the audience and the viewers start getting bored of it. Change is required, and it could be both conscious or unconscious. Now, as far as the content goes, I think there is an abundant number of YouTube channels out there who are gonna make videos related to just Linux and open source. So if I just go ahead and then keep posting the same stuff which they're gonna post, I mean, let's be honest, even you guys are gonna get bored of the same thing. You guys probably don't want to see the best Linux distributions 2022, Ubuntu 22.04 review, because trust me, there are already a lot of channels who have already made it. Me making the same video is not gonna get me anything. It also just makes no sense from the content point of view. I always want to give you guys something which actually matters. In YouTube, there are two reasons why people look at videos for. The first one is knowledge. Basically, that's what you find abundantly in the Linux technology, program, software, and all of those communities. The part which I am gonna go ahead and then concentrate on is the entertainment, which is the second reason why people watch YouTube for. It's something which I love making as well, and I am a kind of a person who just wants to do what I am interested in. I really don't want to drag this video too long, and this is why I have decided to make a new segment inside my YouTube channel where I'm gonna go ahead and then post videos which is not related to technology, softwares, Linux, open source, or anything like that, which is completely different from what I post. It's just me purely commentating, roasting, reviewing, reacting, and so on. I am of course gonna make more YouTube videos on technology, software, and so on, but I am also creating a new segment in my YouTube channel. It's a pure place where everybody could watch it. It doesn't depend on your software skills or technological knowledge and stuff like that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that part of my YouTube channel along with all the rest of my YouTube channel. Trust me, I love both of them, and I'm gonna make great videos on both of them, hopefully. And yeah, that's really it. Like, share, subscribe, notification bell. Okay, yeah, goodbye.